Hi, welcome back. So in the previous video, I taught how to style your web page using the internal styling. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to style your web page using the external styling. To do that, let's go to our code and see this. Now, if you are here, then you've been following, but if you're not here, make sure you go watch the previous videos. Make sure you watch the first class on HTML and the second class on styling, so you'll be able to understand this video. Okay, to do that, to do your external styling, the external styling, we do not want our styles and our HTML to be on the same files. So in order to achieve that, we're going to create a separate file for our style. And all we're going to do is we're going to link the style file, right, the style sheet. We're going to link it with the HTML sheet. And with that, our HTML is going to fetch all the styles from that separate file. So to do that, you come over here and make sure you create a new file. Look at this, just create this file, and you can call it anything, but you must end it with an extension .css. Okay, so we're going to call it style .css. Make sure it has .css, but one of the best ways to name your file, make sure it describes the project that you're working on. Okay, right, this is just a basic project. So so style.css, html.index.html. So I do this, I save it. Now this is our style tag. And how do I link this style sheet with this HTML? To do that, come here, right? We have the link tag. Just do this, just follow me, just type link. So it's going to be a suggestion, right? This first one, just make sure you click on it and it has generated that link tag for you. It just has a prop, and it has two props. One is the real style sheet, so that this is the style sheet, and the other one is now asking you for the path of the file. So we're going to drop the relative path here. So to get the relative path here, it's just remember that article is a parent folder to HTML and CSS. So to do that, so I want to go to my sister folder here, right? So just do this /, right? So once I do /, right, now I have access to everything that is within that article folder. I have access to everything that to my parent folder. So I do this, you can see suggesting to me style.css. So you click this and we have this, right? So you save your work. Of course, we've not written anything on the style file, so we're not going to see any difference, right? Just come here, make sure you copy everything that is here. In fact, cut it out, save your work. Let's go to our HTML and see that every style we done has disappeared. So you come here, you see the style is no longer there, right? So just copy that same thing, go to your style.css, make sure you paste it and save your work, and then you see that everything appears back. So you will see that the same way you style your internal style is the same way you style your external styling, just that we want to have separation of concerns, so that everything that has to do with styling as a file is on a file, and everything that has to do with HTML is on another file. That's why we need the external file. It just makes your code very clean, and so you need to focus on what you want to focus on. If you're focusing on the CSS, then you have a file for that. If you focus on the HTML, you have a separate file for that. So that's it. Thank you very much, and make sure you do well to subscribe to get notification for subsequent videos. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.